In this video, I will show you how to open an Excel file from SharePoint directly in the desktop app. First, open your SharePoint site and navigate to the Documents section where your Excel files are stored. Locate the specific Excel file that you want to open. If you try to open it by clicking on it, it will likely open in the browser instead of the desktop application. To change this behavior, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of your SharePoint screen. From here, select Library Settings, then click on More Library Settings. On the next page, find the Advanced Settings option and click on it. In the Advanced Settings section, scroll down and look for the option that says Opening Documents in the Browser. By default, this setting is usually set to Use the Server Default. To force SharePoint to open files in the desktop application instead, change this setting to Open in the client application. After selecting this option, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click OK to save your changes. Now, return to the Documents section and try opening the same Excel file again. Instead of opening in the browser, it will now automatically launch in the Excel desktop application. This method applies not only to Excel files but also to other Microsoft Office files, such as Word and PowerPoint.